fucking Pomeranian bitch. Shut up, you Pomeranian.
Bruv, your cusses are lame, bruv.
Look, this is what you look like. Especially when
even when all the guys were on you that day, your camera, were lame, bruv.
You look tapped.
All you could say was
like,
some
you
bullshit.
squint your eyes. Look. That's what you look like.
Because I've got cat eyes, yeah.
No, it's not. That's a dog, mate. Some girls
pay to have eyes like me. You get me?
That's a dog.
Some girls pay to have eyes like me. I've got them beautiful cat eyes.
That is
beautiful cat eyes.
A dog.
You wish you had eyes like me. Your eyes are fucking fish eyes. You got them big fishy
This is a dog.
eyes, bruv.
Look.
Googly eyes.
That's what you look like.
And them ones there. That's beautiful eyes. Those eyes are beautiful. Those eyes are absolutely gorgeous. That's a beautiful dog. Like, you ain't like what?
Yeah, whatever. Chihuahuas are fucking butters.
You are fucking fish eyes, bruv.
Chihuahuas are butters.
Fish eyes. Them big, bulgy, nasty eyes you got, bruv. You wish you had eyes like me, darling. You wish you could be me, like. But you know what? Not everyone has the balls to be like me. Not everyone has the balls to be like me. Not everyone has the fucking, the stamina to be like me. Not everyone has, the fucking common sense to be like me. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, whatever, man. Are you done?
Go check out fucking...
Are you done?
Are you done? Are you fucking thick in your head?
I said, are you done?
Thick in your head? No, yeah, I am done, actually. Yeah, I actually am. I've got nothing more to say to you.
Are you done? Well, stop talking then, because you're just going on and on.
Oh, like a chihuahua.
That's what I'm saying. This is what a chihuahua does.
Dumb bitch.
Bark and bark.
You fucking dumb, dusty bitch. You actually
what a chihuahua does.
Sick, bruv. Do you know you started all this shit over fucking jack shit? Now you're gonna fucking know what the consequences to mess with a real bitch. You mess with fire, you
so come meet me then. Come meet me then. Listen, I'm not doing this with you every time.
In my time, darling. In my time, you got to settle yourself and wait for me. Big jack. See me. Fucking you actually called.
Please. Can you not do that accent again? Can you not do that?
You could have had your little 1-2 talk.
Can you not do that accent ever again, please?
Yeah? But you know what?
Can you not do that?
You've gone too far. Shut up! I'm not even listening to you, bro. I'm talking. Shut up, yeah.
That accent was dead. Don't do that again, man. Don't do that again. That was dead.
Listen,
and that was also embarrassing. I got secondhand embarrassment. I got secondhand embarrassment from that as well. I'm not gonna lie.
You are the embarrassment. You are the embarrassment.
Don't do that again, please. I'm just saying. Don't do that again.
Fucking embarrassment, bro. Honestly.
Anyway, I'm done with this bitch.
Bruv, no,
when I see her, I see her.
You're gonna you mess with the wrong
don't
bitch. Listen.
Don't mumble under your breath about me again. Don't mumble about me again under your breath. Just shut up. When you come in and I'm talking, just shut up.
Bare chances.
When you come in and I'm talking, don't say anything.
No one's listening to you, Mish.
Shut
your mouth.
Under your breath.
Fucking big woman talking, yeah?
Just shut up and don't talk.
Shut up, yeah?
Don't talk.
I told you, fucking allow it, yeah? I told you, allow it, yeah? I gave you a chance to allow it. Yeah,
don't
step
talk.
down.
Don't
Like, it's not worth
my
it.
name.
Like, I ain't got a problem with you. You're a nice, pretty girl.
Don't come in thinking you're slick and trying to talk under your breath about me when I'm having a little laugh.
With me.
Don't say
and you know,
shit.
Black Rose only has so much patience. You see me? I'm a big ass bitch who's done big ass shit.
Why are you talking like that?
Yeah?
Can you allow yourself, please?
I don't give a fuck.
It's a bit embarrassing. Why are you talking like that?
Fuck your opinion. Who gives a fuck about your opinion? Who gives a fuck about your opinion? Because I'm a fucking real bitch.
I don't get it. That's embarrassing,
I'm a fucking real bitch.
I'm seriously getting secondhand embarrassment. I feel shame. I'm actually feeling shame for you right now. Why are you talking like that?
Fucking your
anyway,
shit
girl,
on my ass, bro.
Listen, stop talking like that.
Don't fucking tell me how to fucking talk, you dusty little fucking posh wannabe bitch.
You sound like a scumbag. That's why you sound like scum, mate. What are you talking about? You sound dirty.
You're scum on my shoe,
you sound dirty.
You're scum on my
what are you talking about?
Like, I've dealt with so many bitches, dirty, and you're like a fucking, what are you?
A piece of gum on the floor.
You're like a worm, bro. I've dealt with so many fucking
scummy
big bitches. I have dealt with
scummy
ass bitches.
Okay.
Who are set up bitches, who are real bitches, who you couldn't even stand next to.
She's saying this. I got set up girls. I got this. I got that. Yeah,
stand next to them because you're not fucking on their level. But you know what? These big ass bitches got dealt with.
Yeah.
See my fists? They're worth fucking money.
Cool story, man.
My fists are worth money.
Cool story. Can you get to the ending now?
Fucking story, but you'll see what story is when you're fucking laying there, bruv, and you're actually saying, "Why did I do this to myself?"
This girl makes me laugh,
Why did I actually do this to myself? I started this over some BIGO shit, some nothingness. The girl actually said, like, she didn't mean what she said. She said, allow it. She gave me a chance, and I still went there. Now I'm sitting there laying there like a fish.
What? I'm busy.
What?
Can you hear me say,
what?
Are you done?
Are you
She's going on and on. She's just waffling. She's just going on about,
go eat a waffle. Go eat a fucking waffle.
She's going on.
You're not. No one's impressed. Go eat a waffle.
On and on.
Go eat a fucking waffle.
You're going on. What?
What? Are you what?
That's what I'm saying. She's waffling. What are you talking about?